If you are in the YouTube partner program, then YouTube must send you this email. If you are not, maybe they also send you this uh, notification email. This is important email from YouTube. You must need to take action. So you can read this email. What is in this email? So you must just watch my video to never get out from the YouTube partner program. So just watch this video complete. So let's go to your studio to enable YouTube short and accept YouTube term and policy. First, February 2023, YouTube showing ad on your short, and you will earn money from your shorts. So after July 10, 2023, if you're not accept new YouTube partner program, then your channel will be removed from the YouTube partner program. So you must need to accept. So let's go to YouTube Studio. So let's go to YouTube Studio. Here you can see YouTube will show you this red icon on your YouTube Studio, because this is very much important from YouTube. You must need to accept this if you want to in the YouTube partner program. So review, now click on review button and accept. Okay, so don't click on dismiss button, but just click on review. And now here a new pop-up screen of dash window is open. Now what's changing? So you can read this. Click on learn more. So you need to click step 1 and step 2 basic terms and watch page view terms. So now click on this, and now you can read all of this. I am not going to read this. Now scroll down and accept this. If you want to read, you can read this. So now click on accept button. Now click on accept. So this here you can see first step is successfully click. Now click on second one, review. So watch page monetization model. So you can read this. Now once you read this, now click on accept the watch page terms. So here you can see the both option is click. Now click on submit. So that's so easy. Just this thing take only 1 minute. So now go to turn on start earning from short feed, and now you must need to enable short feed ads. So if you want to make money from short, now click on go to turn on. Now here you can see earn from ad and YouTube premium in the short feed. If you are making short videos, then YouTube showing from the 1st February ad on your short videos. Now click on turn on this. If you really want to make money, you must need to enable. Now again YouTube show you some time. Now scroll down. Once you read, now click on accept the short feed term now and accept. That's it. That's all 3 steps is done. You can make money from short. After February 1, YouTube will show ad on your websites. Make sure you enable ads for your short. Go to content and go to shorts and enable ads for your short videos. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helpful for you. If you have any question, leave in comment section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.